John's been associated with SOFIT for a very long time, and I must say this before John starts. He's an embodiment of the SOFIT philosophy of leading the active, healthy, energetic lifestyle. So here's over to John, the incredible John. I'm sure all of you are waiting to hear from him.
Hi guys, first of all, a very big thank you that all of you are here. Sarosh, thank you for the kind words, and just want you to know that I personally am very honored to be a brand ambassador of SOFIT, simply because I lead a healthy lifestyle, and for all you guys, this is soya milk, and soya milk is fantastic. It's healthy. It's got, like Sarosh said, it's got protein, dietary fiber, minerals, omega-3, you name it, calcium. It's got everything that you need for a complete meal. And the beauty of this is that it's Hershey's. So obviously it's bound to be tasty, and you're really going to enjoy the taste. But more importantly, I'd really like to thank SOFIT for associating with my film Dishum, which stars me, Varun, and Jacqueline. And they've really put their heart behind this film, and they've really supported us as brand partners on this film. And it means a lot to me as a brand ambassador of SOFIT that my brand, which I proudly call my brand, has decided to support my film. And the only way I can repose that faith back, Sarosh, is by making sure that Dishum is a hit, and that I'm sure you guys will see that tomorrow, and I hope all of you enjoyed as much as I am going to enjoy it today, because I haven't yet seen the film. So thank you once again, and good job. Thank you so much for welcoming us so nicely.
Thank you so much, John.
And thank you to all the contestants here for actually having come here. We really appreciate the effort you take, and it means a lot to all of us. So thank you to each one of you and the media that has been actually very quiet and subdued for a change, and thank you so much. And you're lovely, and we've apne liye taali baja. Thank you. So it's been a fantastic experience promoting this film. It's been a greater experience endorsing and being the embodiment of SOFIT. And I'd like to, and SOFIT and I, and we've got massive plans to continue this this health journey and take it to another level. So each one of you, because I can see most of you here are beautiful, handsome, fit, everyone out here, and lovely smile, and all of you. So I just hope you'll understand that when I speak, I'm not just speaking as someone who endorses this brand. I actually believe in this brand, and when I tell you it's good, I mean it's good. Okay, where fitness is concerned. Otherwise, I really wouldn't be sitting here and talking about it. I'd probably be endorsing an aerated drink. So it's important that you do understand where I'm coming from. And thank you once again to each one of you. And I leave the floor open to all of you.
Thank you so much, John, and thank you so much, Mr. Sarosh Shetty. I think it's time for us to throw the floor open to the members of the media for any questions that you have for John. So I think we have a mic floating around, and of course we have one hand up there for now. That's a lot of questions, by the way. All right, can we have a mic for that gentleman right there?
You are incredible. Of course, he is right. So what's your idea of remaining fit? Why are you so fit? What's the philosophy of your remaining fit?
I think I don't get fit for a film. I've always been fit from my first film, Jism. And for me, fitness is, I always say, it's a way of life. It's not a phase in life. For me, just getting a six-pack is not important, but just being wholly fit and leading a good lifestyle and being a role model to all of you sitting here is very important. So I think I like that. I'm very passionate about that. I'm passionate about sport. I'm passionate about fitness. I'm passionate about outdoor activities. I've said this once. I'm a very physical person, and I like being physical. I like running around. I like getting dirty in the mud, and I just like enjoying outdoor sports. And I think in a day today where social media is so important, but the unfortunate part is that people only do that. People have stopped going out. People have become couch potatoes. No one really gets out. So I'd encourage each one of you to actually go take an outdoor sport, an outdoor activity. Really go out there and really get yourselves into fantastic shape. And shape doesn't mean having a six-pack. Shape means leading a good lifestyle. And you must think clean in your head, and you'll be fantastic.
And John, can just speak up something about your daily fitness routine? How much time you just spend in the gym, and how much time
I just killed it in the gym and I've come. I freaking killed it. And that's how I work out. I work out really hard, and I work out 5 or 6 days a week. And by gym, I just don't mean lifting weights. I do a lot of core exercises, and I eat right. Very important. Diet is very, very important. And that's been my life. I've not had a cheat day. I've always said it. And somewhere someone asked me, and they said, how ridiculous, you've not had a cheat day. And I said that, listen, that's my way of life. I think having a cheat day is meant for people who want to cheat, who are weak. So you need to be tough, you need to be strong. You can't forgive yourself for having French fries, for example, or for having something that your body does not need. And think about what I said when you walk out of here, and please feel guilty if you eat some crap. Okay? No one's going to eat crap from today.
I think they already do. I can see a lot of smile on faces when you said French fries.
I think a lot of smiles just disappeared.
Including mine. All right, I think we have another gentleman seated there, right at the back. Can we please pass the mic to him?
Hi. Film के promotion के लिए, you have to put lots of sweat in it. Daily you go for promotion, city tours and all those things. So sometimes does it really become very hectic? Maybe just tomorrow the film is releasing, and till now you're promoting the film actually. How do you see this entire thing actually?
So I think at the end of the day, a good film will work. You can promote as much as you want, but if your film's not good, the audience smells it out. It won't work. I think promotion is important to an extent. I don't think you need to go all over the place, go all out. And I think in the last 5 or 6 days, Varun, me and Jacqueline have been really aggressive. We've been promoting this film. And I think Varun's finally fallen ill. Okay, it was me in the 2 weeks ago, and he was boasting about not falling ill, and finally I think he's down with sickness. Jacqueline's not been well for the longest time, because when you travel and viral in the air, it's not easy. And I'm not joking again, I swear. Yesterday I was in Ahmedabad, and the only thing I had was SoFit, because I think it's become synonymous. Wherever I go, I see SoFit, and the only thing I told Sarosh is distribution bahut acha hai. It's fantastic. It's everywhere, and I think more people should have it. But coming back to promotion, I think we've given it our all, and what I hear is everybody's been seeing us everywhere, and we hope it all translates into ticket sales.
John, as we just heard it, Jacqueline and Varun were also supposed to come for this event, and the very end moment this thing got cancelled. So do you feel that they were so fit ke liye they were a little misfit actually?
I think you're probably right.
Let's pass it.
I think, honestly, Varun and Jacqueline, to give them credit, they've been fantastic in promotions. So I'm not going to take anything away from them. But finally, yesterday we landed late night from Ahmedabad. I promise you, they're gone. They're finished. And the only guy who has energy to do more is me right now.
And we all know why, huh?
So I'm going to go on and on and on, okay? And that's fantastic for everyone.
John, it's amazing to see how Dishoom has associated with SoFit. So आप हमें movie में भी SoFit पीते हुए दिखेंगे Dishoom में?
नहीं, तो ये हमारा conscious decision था कि ये जो blatant in-film branding जो होता है, at least I as an actor and me as a producer, we wanted to avoid that, and all credit to Sajid also. He said, listen, and Rohit Dhawan, my director, didn't want any blatant in-film branding. तो वो हमने avoid किया है. But I really appreciate what Sofit has done because they've really had a massive and an aggressive media plan to spend behind this film simply because they believe that you have three of probably the most fittest actors in the industry altogether in one film. The film is action packed. Sofit is about the energy to do more. So, what's the better association? So they've decided to associate, and we've done promos for this post the film.
Hi John, what are the things you look for before endorsing any product or a brand, and will you ever endorse something which is unhealthy like an alcoholic brand or a cigarette brand?
No, I've said that before. What do I look for? I look for the fact that can I use this brand? Am I really using this brand? And if I honestly use this brand, then I would endorse it. The thing is, and I understand how celebrities work. We endorse everything for money. But I have in my entire career, I've never succumbed to that. I don't even, and I say this on record, I don't go for any marriages and all those shows and all where I don't do all that because I believe that my art is my religion, it's my profession and it's sacred. And I think I'm meant to perform on the big screen and nowhere else. So there are certain things that principally I don't do even if I lose all the money in the world or I don't make money. So the same for brands. I will not endorse any cigarette brands, definitely. In fact, in Dishum, I'm smoking. I'm saying this on record. I'm smoking. I went to my director and I said, I can't smoke. It's bad. It's not right. He said, read the script. I read the script, and smoking is an integral part of the film, and Kabir Shergill's character smokes. So I go on record and I say I do not endorse smoking, and I would like for the youth to know that if we fire guns or we do wheelies, so when we do all this, it doesn't mean that you have to do it in real life, and I stick by that. So whether it's alcohol or cigarettes, I really wouldn't endorse it, except if maybe a particular brand, I'm just thinking aloud, is associated with sport and they're doing great CSR activity in sport, but that definitely won't be a cigarette brand.
I wanted to know, there are a few truths and myths about soya milk. So is it something that you can have any time of the day, or is it only something you can have during or post-workout?
So soya milk generally, I know what the myths are. Especially with men, but I'm not going to get into the details of exactly. Let's not dwell deep in, because I can give you an entire lecture for 24 hours on it. But yeah, if had in limitation, and no one's saying have 40 cans of soya milk, etc. But what's healthier, having some sugarful, some drink that has a lot of sugar in it, or having a great soya drink? And I'll always say it's better to have a soya drink. So to answer your question, do you have it just post your workout? You can have it 20 minutes post your workout because you need food for your muscle tissues. And soya milk does give you that kind of food. But can you have it at any time of the day? Well, if you're high on activity and you're burning your calories, you could consume it. There's absolutely no reason why you should not. But anything in excess is not great. So that's something I stick by, and we really don't endorse that. We never really endorse that, and we say soya milk's great and it should be had at opportune times.
So how hard it was, during the shoot, like you had to smoke. Could you say something about
With Rohit Dhawan, it was very hard because he used to take 40 takes. So when you're smoking, I had to stop and I said, Rohit, my throat's hurting, just give me a break. It is hard. I've done it before. I've done it in no smoking. I've done it in Ashaye. So I have smoked before in films. I've done it in Shootout at Wadala. But it's something that I don't have an addictive personality. So the minute my shoot gets over, that's it. It's over. I would never touch it. And as far as drinks are concerned, I have, this is a secret, I have jaggery with jaggery put in water, which looks like a drink, if I have to drink in a scene. And that's fantastic during your workout, guys.
Oh,
It's fantastic.
That
So I'm
helps.
actually working out when I'm doing a drunk scene.
that helps.
Honey is great, natural sugar, honey, jaggery, fantastic, outstanding.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, with that, it's a wrap. John, thank you so much for answering
Thank
all
you.
the questions. As we all are very aware, Sofit ran a contest online, which was Dishum with Sofit. And we're very happy to have the winners in this room right now. So, John, I'm going to call all the winners
Sure,
here
sure.
so that they can quickly meet you. I'm going to cross over quickly to get the names of them. I request the winners to come on stage as I call your name out. Our first winner, ladies and gentlemen, is Romi Desai. Romi, where are you? All right, let's give her a round of applause. All right, our next winner, Pinky Dholakia. Pinky, are you in the room? All right, there she is, Pinky. Make your way quickly to John. Just Randhava, our next winner. Oh, there he is. Siddharth Kumar. Siddharth, can we have you here, please? Siddharth Kumar. Shubham Gautam. Shubham's there too. Deepa, wherever you are, it's time for you to come here, Deepa. Sachin, do we have another Sachin here? All right, Deepa's here. Oh, she did. Sujit, Pareen Shah, Pankaj Ahuja, and Preeti. I'm going to repeat the names: Pareen Shah, Pankaj Ahuja, and Preeti. If you can all come and assemble near the stage, please.